could be a very interesting time.
That is totally not the way to do it.
Well, this book was also probably written when the car was made, and car seats have probably changed since that a bit.
Gotcha. Useless garbage. Go. Infant restraint from base regardless of whether or not you're planning to use the base.
Can I be of any help?
Alright. This looks like that must go under time. So something goes through here. And what's this?
So, Dad, let's get a rundown on how the car seat installation is going so far.
Well, so first of all, turn it off because I have to comb my hair before you can go anywhere.
That's okay. You can talk while you... So now that the hair is all combed...
my vision, I can't see.
Now that the hair is all combed, Dad, can we get an update on how this car seat installation has gone so far?
Excellent.
Yeah?
No problem figuring it out myself, and we're going to go pick you up.
Excellent.
Mm-hmm.
So why don't you say where we're going? Because I think you'd think it's pretty cool.
Well, we're going to the police station because we want to double check and make sure that I installed it perfectly. Because otherwise that would be improper.
And there it is, not even buckled in. Okay, so we're gonna go for this little drive, and
yep.
We definitely want to make sure that you're safe. So we figured this might be the best way to do it.
We tried to go into the fire department, but they don't know anything. So we figured the police might. And what the fire department gave us was suggesting to go to the hospital and ask the nurses there because they have sessions on when they can do it. So unfortunately, the next session available to learning how to install this car seat is like mid-January, and you may come before then, and it may be too late. So, is it on?
Yeah.
Well, we had your car seat installed by a police officer, and turns out that I did have it right to begin with. I just hadn't tightened it as well, and we were a little wary on it because it does move side to side, but up and down is perfectly fine. If it stops, it'll be all right. But side to side was a little weird, so we just wanted to take it and just to have it done professionally, just in case. And unfortunately, it's done by the